talking about materials is incredibly important when you are working with young children. The materials that you're selecting each and every day are thoughtfully curated to support a variety of objectives for development and learning. We also want to make sure that the materials that we're choosing are supporting children with a variety of interests and developmental needs and a variety of abilities and skills and knowledge, right? And that requires a lot of careful consideration.
Where are they in relation to the widely held expectations? What skills do they have? So, you know what? I've learned over the years, instead of going to my local department store and letting that decide what or dictate what materials I need in the classroom, I really have learned to let children and their families guide me.
Mm.
My observations of children and families, and my discussions with children and families. So, instead of, when I see children throwing books, I might think about what props I have in the library and how that can support children.